Hey my loves, welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on a colorful journey into the world of lipstick. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil 10 unbelievable lipstick shades that will transform your makeup game. We're talking about those iconic, must-have colors that have stolen the hearts of makeup lovers everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting to explore the world of beauty, trust me, you need these shades in your life. So buckle up, babes, and get ready to discover your new go-to lipstick. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the one and only, the legendary Ruby Woo by MAC. You know her, you love her, she's the queen bee of red lipsticks for a reason. This vibrant blue-based red is like that little black dress in your closet, absolutely timeless and eternally chic. What I love most about Ruby Woo is its incredible versatility. It complements every skin tone imaginable, from the fairest to the deepest, making everyone look and feel like $1,000,000. Seriously, it's like magic in a tube. The texture is what I call a true matte, but don't let that scare you. It glides on like a dream, no tugging or pulling, and it stays put for hours without drying out your lips. Talk about a win-win. Now let's talk about the impact this shade has. Ruby Woo is not for the faint of heart, my loves. It's a statement maker, a head turner, a confidence booster in a single swipe. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just want to add a pop of drama to your everyday look, Ruby Woo is your ultimate wingwoman. Trust me, this is one lipstick you'll be reaching for again and again. Next up, we're diving into the world of nude lipsticks with the one and only Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. This shade is like a love letter to your lips, enhancing their natural beauty with the most perfect nude pink hue. What makes Pillow Talk so special is its ability to flatter every complexion. It's like that perfect pair of jeans that hugs all the right curves, universally flattering and oh so easy to wear. The formula is creamy and dreamy, gliding on like silk and leaving your lips feeling soft and supple. It's the kind of lipstick you can wear all day long without even realizing it's there. And the best part? Pillow Talk is incredibly versatile. Wear it alone for a subtle, everyday look, or pair it with a smoky eye for a touch of effortless glamour. Trust me, my loves, Pillow Talk is more than just a lipstick. It's a secret weapon for achieving that perfect your lips, but better look. Get ready to be enchanted by the enigmatic beauty of Black Honey by Clinique. This cult classic is like a chameleon, transforming on every lip to create the most flattering, berry-tinted shade. Don't be fooled by its name, my loves. Black Honey isn't your typical black lipstick. It's a sheer, buildable formula that delivers the perfect amount of color, adding a touch of mystery and intrigue to any look. What I love most about Black Honey is its ability to adapt to your natural lip color. It enhances your lips with a hint of berry and plum, creating a custom shade that's uniquely you. The texture is smooth and balmy, gliding on effortlessly and leaving your lips feeling hydrated and nourished. It's the perfect everyday lipstick that you can swipe on without a second thought. Whether you're a fan of a natural look or prefer something a little more edgy, Black Honey is your go-to. Trust me, this is one shade that deserves a spot in every makeup bag. Get ready to fall head over heels for Velvet Teddy by MAC, a cult classic that has taken the beauty world by storm. This warm, nude brown shade is like that cozy cashmere sweater you never want to take off. Comforting, flattering, and oh so chic. What sets Velvet Teddy apart is its luxurious matte finish. It glides on like a dream, delivering rich, opaque color without ever feeling dry or cakey. It's the kind of matte lipstick that feels as good as it looks. The color itself is what dreams are made of. It's the perfect balance of warm and cool tones, making it universally flattering on a wide range of skin tones. Whether you're fair, medium, or deep, Velvet Teddy will complement your complexion beautifully. And let's not forget about the staying power. This lipstick is a true champion, lasting for hours on end without feathering, fading, or budging. You can eat, drink, and be merry without worrying about your lipstick disappearing. Velvet Teddy is the epitome of effortless chic. It's the perfect everyday nude that can be dressed up or down, making it a must-have for any makeup lover. Hold on tight, babes, because we're about to unleash a fiery storm with Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. This bold, unapologetic red is not for the faint of heart. It's for the fierce, the fearless, the women who own their power. Uncensored is the kind of red that commands attention the moment you step into a room. It's a head-turner, a showstopper, a statement maker in every sense of the word. What sets this liquid lipstick apart is its incredible pigmentation. One swipe delivers full-on opaque color that lasts for hours on end. No need for touch-ups, this baby stays put. The formula is also incredibly comfortable to wear. It dries down to a matte finish without ever feeling dry or cakey. Your lips will feel soft, supple, and ready to conquer the world. Uncensored is more than just a lipstick, it's a state of mind. It's about embracing your inner rebel, your confidence, your unapologetic self. Prepare to be transported to the heart of Paris with Dior Rouge 999, a timeless red lipstick that embodies the epitome of French girl chic. It's sophisticated, elegant, and effortlessly glamorous, the kind of red that never goes out of style. What makes Dior Rouge 999 so special is its perfect balance of blue and yellow undertones. This unique blend creates a true red that flatters every skin tone, from the fairest to the deepest. The formula is equally luxurious. It glides on like silk, delivering rich, pigmented color with a satin finish that's both hydrating and long-lasting. Your lips will feel pampered and polished all day long. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or simply want to add a touch of Parisian flair to your everyday look, Dior Rouge 999 is your ultimate go-to. It's the kind of lipstick that makes you feel confident, empowered, and ready to take on the world. Get ready to embrace the captivating allure of NARS Audacious Lipstick in Anita, a trendy mauve-pink shade that's both sophisticated and playful. It's the perfect balance of cool and warm tones, making it incredibly flattering on a wide range of skin tones. What sets Anita apart is its creamy, pigmented formula. It glides on like a dream, delivering full coverage color with a satin finish that's both hydrating and long-lasting. Your lips will feel soft, supple, and oh so kissable. This shade is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for any occasion. Wear it to the office for a touch of polished elegance, or dress it up for a night out with a smoky eye and a touch of shimmer. Anita is the kind of lipstick that effortlessly elevates any look. It's sophisticated yet playful, chic yet approachable, the perfect combination for the modern woman who loves to experiment with color. Prepare to be swept away by the timeless allure of Chanel Rouge Allure in Pirate, a classic red lipstick that's as iconic as the little black dress. It's the kind of red that never goes out of style, effortlessly elevating any look from day to night. What makes Pirate so special is its perfect balance of blue and yellow undertones. This unique blend creates a true red that flatters every skin tone, from the fairest to the deepest. It's the kind of red that makes you feel confident, powerful, and ready to conquer the world. The formula is equally luxurious. It glides on like silk, delivering rich, pigmented color with a satin finish that's both hydrating and long-lasting. Your lips will feel pampered and polished all day long. Whether you're a seasoned lipstick lover or just starting your collection, Chanel Rouge Allure in Pirate is a must-have. It's the kind of lipstick that will never let you down, always making you feel your most confident and beautiful. Get ready for a burst of sunshine with YSL Rouge Volupté Shine in Coral Incandescent, a fun, vibrant coral that's perfect for summer and beyond. It's the kind of shade that instantly brightens your complexion and puts a smile on your face. What sets Coral Incandescent apart is its unique formula. It's a sheer, buildable lipstick that delivers a wash of color with a glossy finish. Your lips will feel soft, supple, and incredibly hydrated thanks to the infusion of hyaluronic acid. This shade is all about embracing your playful side. It's perfect for a day at the beach, a picnic in the park, or a night out with friends. It's the kind of lipstick that makes you feel happy, confident, and ready to have some fun. Whether you're a fan of bold colors or prefer something a little more subtle, YSL Rouge Volupté Shine in Coral Incandescent is a must-try. It's the perfect way to add a touch of summer to your look, no matter the season. Prepare to be mesmerized by the ultimate red carpet red, Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance Lipstick in Elson. This stunning blue-red shade is the epitome of luxury and glamour, instantly transforming any look into a showstopper. Elson is not for the faint of heart, my loves. It's a statement-making red that demands attention and exudes confidence. The kind of red that makes you feel like you can conquer the world, one perfectly painted pout at a time. What sets this lipstick apart is its incredibly pigmented, velvety, smooth formula. It glides on like a dream, delivering full coverage color with a luxurious matte finish that's both long-lasting and comfortable to wear. Let's not forget about the packaging. Elson comes housed in a stunning gold bullet adorned with Pat McGrath's signature lips. It's the kind of lipstick that looks as good on your vanity as it does on your lips. If you're looking for a red lipstick that's both luxurious and unforgettable, Pat McGrath Lab's Matatrance lipstick in Elson is the one. Trust me, this is a true collector's item. And there you have it, my loves. 10 unbelievable lipstick shades that will transform your makeup game. From classic reds to everyday nudes and playful pops of color, there's a shade for every mood and occasion. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which shade is your absolute favorite and which ones you're dying to try. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay gorgeous.